Hey guys, so today another video tutorial, and I am here outside on this nice sunny day with my fluffy friend Arky. And today video tutorial is about VLC Media Player and how to download it and find it and install it. So before I tell you how to do all this stuff, don't forget to like or dislike the video, subscribe, click bell icon to get notified about new videos, and share with others. So without further ado, let's start. Now it is time for me to download the VLC Media Player installation file. But before we do that, we need to visit website www.videolan.org. Now, if you want, you can go below this video in the description and click on the link. Another option is to use some search engine like google.com and just type in VLC Player, press enter key on the keyboard, and amongst the first few results you have VideoLan.org. Just click on it and you get to this orangey website. But maybe it looks strange that this website is blue and this website is orange. Don't worry. When you go to main site, to main window of VideoLan.org, you get blue. But when you go to VLC download page of VLC, you get to orange. That is a subsite, and orange is the theme color for this program. Okay, so whenever you are on orange or blue website, doesn't matter, go to this big blue or orangey button, download VLC. So at the time of recording, current stable version is 3.0.8, and it detected that I have 64-bit version of Windows operating system. So if you do not know, or you want to figure out if your operating system is 32 or 64-bit, you can go into the description below this video and click on the link of my previous video tutorial how to determine just that. But I also know that my operating system is 64. I will just click download VLC button. You need to wait for a little bit, and when this window opens, as you see, VLC 3.0.8 Win64. Just save it. Another thing that I want to show you is, let's say you have 64-bit and you want to download 32-bit for some another computer or whatsoever, or another operating system or whatever. You can just go on the end of this button, big blue or orangey button, and click this arrow button. And here you can download for 32-bit version of Windows, 64-bit version of Windows, Windows Phone, Mac OS, Linux, and etc. other systems, whatever you need. Okay, this installation file is downloaded. Let me just remind you one thing, that it is possible that when you click to download, and download installation will keep trying to download and download and download, and it just wouldn't download it. Don't worry, just go back to this download website and click download VLC once again, and it should download normally. That is just in case. Okay, so now I will just open up the folder of the file where I downloaded. Website browser I can close, and now it is installation time. To install it, it is pretty simple. Just right mouse button, click on it, and click run as administrator. If before this window another window pops up, if you really want to open it, just click yes, that you confirm opening this file. That is only for protection from Windows side. So in this window, just select the language you want for this installation. I will just use it English, and that is also the language of the program itself, and click OK. This is second window. Read if you want all this information. If you want, when you are done, just click next. Here, if you want, read all the general public license informations. When you are done, click next. Here, just select what you want. Let's say to add to start menu amongst here, desktop shortcut if you want here. If you do not want, just click on it, so it is unchecked. Web plugin, which simply I do not see it working, but maybe it will work for you, and so on. There is also file type association if you want this VLC program to take over the association. So whenever you open up, let's say, video file, let's say 3GP extension, it will always open up in VLC. Just click, check, uncheck whatever you want. If you do not want to change anything, or you done all this stuff, just click next button again. Here it will install inside this folder on disk C, program files, VideoLan and VLC. If you want to change it for some reason, just click browse, select another folder and click OK. But I will click cancel because I will leave it just like it is. And when you are done, click install button. Now we need to wait a little bit until it installs. I will speed up this part. Here is run VLC Media Player. If it is checked, it will automatically open up when I click finish. If you do not want, then just click this checkbox, so it is unchecked. But I will just leave it that it opens when I click finish. I can close this downloads window. I do not need it, and that's it. Here, you have privacy network access policy. You can read all this stuff. If you do not know what that means, you can Google it. I will not go deep into this. Just click continue. If you do not agree about something, just uncheck it. And that's it. This is VLC Media Player window.
So that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, did not understood something, or want to ask something, just just type everything below this video in the comments section. So have a blast, people. Bye bye.